Hey there friends! I'm back again with another awesome tech tutorial for you. In today's video, I will teach you how to create a shortcut to an application in Windows 10. Let's start! The first step is to find the application you want to create a shortcut for. You can do this by searching it on the Start menu, or you can just search it here using the File Explorer. So I want to create a shortcut to my Plants vs. Zombie application. I already found my Plants vs. Zombie application, so all you have to do now is to right click so that we can create a shortcut. Hover your mouse to send to, and then you will see a sub menu there. All we have to do now is to click the desktop, create shortcut. So it will create a shortcut to our favorite application to our desktop. Then boom! We have just created a shortcut to our app. Thanks for tuning in and learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a shortcut to an application in Windows 10. See you on my next video!